These days, most computers come with onboard video, and if you're a gamer or into some heavier applications, you might want to upgrade and install a video card. Most people could do it on their own and not have to pay those high prices that most chain stores would charge you to install it themselves. So here I'm going to show you how. I have two different kinds because not everybody has the same kind of graphics card. This is a PCI Express, and this is a PCI, depending on which slot you have in your computer. This here is a PCI Express slot for more modern video cards, and this here is a PCI slot for a computer that doesn't have a PCI Express slot. So if you don't have one, you still can upgrade to a video card with a PCI, a regular PCI card. All you do is you just take these connectors and line them up with these connectors, putting the front in first, very gently, and then sliding it down and pushing it until it locks into place. You can hear a noise, and now it's in. And voila, you now have a new video card. Now if you have a PCI Express card, it's just as easy, just a different slot. Now you have to make sure everything goes in the right slot. You don't want to force anything, you don't want to break anything. These parts are very delicate. Same thing, slide it up in front, push it down, and you hear it lock in. Bam. Both cards are installed. It's that simple. Only thing you want to do is make sure you screw in and tighten in these holes here where they go in so they stay steady, and then attach your monitor and install your drivers, and everything should work out just fine.